In today's lesson, we'll be looking at some exercises on the laws of indices. And so, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe for more updates. Let's get started. And so, we have our first example. And with our first example, we have into bracket 2a exponent 3 times into bracket 2a exponent 4. Now, we can see at this point that the base are the same. And so, once the base are the same and at the same time they are multiplying, you are just going to add the exponent. So with that in mind, then our solution now becomes equal to, so we write one of the bases, that is 2a, and we add the exponent, that is 3 plus 4. So this gives 2a exponent 7. Now we come to the next one, and with this one we can see that the base here are the same, and at the same time the base are dividing. So if that happens, we are just going to write one of the bases and subtract the exponent. So our solution now becomes equal to 3, that is one of the bases being written and the exponent being subtracted. And so we have 3 exponent 3. Now move on to the set of examples, and we have this one. So we have into brackets a exponent 2 times b exponent 3 all exponent 2. So to solve this one, we are saying that this a exponent 2 is going to be affected by the exponent 2 here. So at the end, we have a exponent 2 all exponent 2 times, now this b exponent 3 is also going to be affected by the exponent 2 here. So that gives us b exponent 3 all exponent 2. So we continue. Now we multiply the exponents. So that is a exponent 2 times 2 times b exponent 3 times 2. And that gives us a exponent 4 times b exponent 6. So this ends it. Now we go to the next one. And with this one, we have 7 exponent 6 times 7 exponent 3 divided by 7 exponent 4. So we are going to deal with this step by step. So let's first work with the numerator. So with the numerator, considering the numerator, we can see that the base are the same. And once the base are the same, we can also see that they are also multiplying. So if that happens, we are going to write one of the bases and then add the exponent. So that gives us 6 minus 3. Now that is the numerator. So we come to the denominator, that is, we maintain the same value, 7 exponent minus 4. Now 7 exponent 6 minus 3 can be written as 7 exponent 3 divided by 7 exponent minus 4. So with this, to continue, we can see that 7 exponent 3 divided by 7 exponent minus 4 can be written as 7 exponent 3 divided by 7 exponent minus 4. Now in indices, we said that provided the base are the same and at the same time the base are being divided, then we can write one of the bases and subtract the exponent. So with that, then we can see 7 exponent 3 minus, just because the division sign here has been changed to minus and there is an existing minus here, so minus 4. And at the end, we are getting 7 exponent 3 minus 4 gives us 3 plus 4, and we have 7 exponent 7. And so this becomes our solution. Now we'll go to the last set of examples, and that's one we have x exponent 10 divided by x exponent 4. So once they are dividing, then remember that we can rewrite this as x exponent 10 divided by x exponent 4. Now once the base are the same and at the same time the base are dividing, then we are just going to write one of the bases and subtract the exponent. So with that in mind, then we are going to have x as the base and 10 minus 4 as the exponent. So we continue and we have x exponent 10 minus 4 is 6. Now with the last one, we have into bracket 2x exponent 4 multiplied by y exponent 3 all exponents minus 2. So with this one, we can see that the negative 2 is going to affect whatever is in the bracket. So at the end, we are going to have equal to now 2x exponent 4 all exponents minus 2 times y exponent 3 all exponents minus 2. Now it means that we are going to simplify. So at this point, we have 2 exponents minus 2 because the minus 2 is going to affect the base here and also going to affect x exponent 4. Sorry, x exponent 4. So times x exponent 4. Then let's take it back. So times x exponent 4 raised to the power of exponent minus 2 multiplied by y exponent 3 then exponent minus 2. So we simplify this by writing 2 exponent minus 2 times x exponent minus 8 because 4 multiplies minus 2, we have minus 8 times y exponent minus 6 because 3 times minus 2 gives us minus 6. So we have minus 6 here. So this is the solution. So basically you can write 2 exponent minus 2 x minus 8 y exponent minus 6. And so this ends today's video. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, comment, subscribe and share. See you in our next video. BakoMaths, thinking beyond infinity.